In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. Please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So what we can do when there's no status showing on our WhatsApp is first we can go to our phone settings, and now we want to find our app settings and find WhatsApp. It will be in the very bottom as this page is on alphabetical. So from here, we want to tap on WhatsApp. And now we want to go to permissions. We want to make sure that all of the permissions that WhatsApp needs is allowed. The very important permissions that should be allowed is the contacts should be allowed. The phone permissions should be also allowed, and also the files and media. So these three are the very important permissions that should be allowed. The next step is to go back and go to our WhatsApp storage. And from here, we want to clear the cache. So after that, the next thing we want to go do is go to Play Store and search on WhatsApp. So what we need to take note is to make sure that WhatsApp is up to date. If not, you will need to update your WhatsApp application. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.